crops are underground storage organs that store nutrients, mainly carbohydrates. In Malaysia, common tuber crops include white potatoes and cocoyam. These crops have been cultivated for a long time as important food sources and play a significant role in ensuring food security, especially in rural communities. In terms of distribution and botany, tuber crops are commonly grown in states such as Perlis, Kedah, Perak, Johor, and Sabah. They grow well in Malaysia's tropical climate and prefer well-drained soils. Tuber crops are easy to cultivate, drought-tolerant, and are classified under the root crop group, making them suitable for small-scale and traditional farming systems. Regarding their uses and socio-economic importance, tuber crops are widely consumed as staple foods, either boiled, fried, or steamed. They are also used in the preparation of traditional kueh and snacks. In addition, tuber crops can be processed into products such as flour, starch, and animal feed. Their low production costs and minimal input requirements provide a steady source of income for small-scale farmers, making them especially suitable for rural farming communities.
So now I'll be explaining about plant ecology and current status. Plant ecology is defined as how plants interact with their abiotic factors, biotic factors, and the ecosystem. As for the current status, the plant ecosystem is mostly affected by climate change, loss of habitat, and man-made activities. For production, potatoes are mostly known as one of the world's crucial food crops for human consumption. They are usually grown in temperate and subtropical highland areas where the temperatures are lower. Potatoes is a source of carbohydrates and contribute to supply energy to others for daily activities. For the cultivation system, potatoes are grown by sustainable practices where the soils are managed properly. Smallholders and commercial farms cultivate the potatoes in an open field, and adequate water drainage is important to the potatoes because potatoes are unable to tolerate waterlogging when there is poor drainage, which causes low yield for crop production. As for self-sufficiency of potatoes, the yield of the crops can be easily affected by climate change due to pollution. Aside from that, some countries like Mongolia have managed to achieve 100% of the potato self-sufficiency, which reduces its dependency on imports. To increase the crop supply of potatoes, it can be improved by enhancing pest management. For import and export, food security is ensured due to imports from other countries. Therefore, potatoes are often traded internationally, which helps the national economy's growth. Besides that, industries that produce processed food are also supported by exporting. The ecological roles of potatoes are usually known to enhance the soil structure because of their extensive root system, which can help to aerate the soil. Potatoes are also used often in crop production systems because of their well-known ability to enhance the nutrient cycle that can also control pests and weeds. However, the potatoes are sensitive to environmental stress. Overall, when the potatoes are managed well, it can provide an agricultural biodiversity.
Tuber crops interact closely with both the environment and human needs. Environmentally, the underground storage organs allow them to survive poor soil, drought, and irregular rainfall by efficiently storing water and nutrients. As you can see, the sweet potato and taro has a lower water requirement compared to cereal, this making them reliable food source under limited rainfall. Tubers such as cassava, yam, and taro tolerate drought, salinity, and temperature extreme. Cassava thrives on marginal soil and survives above 30 degrees Celsius, while drought-tolerant sweet potato varieties like Blue Krishna also provide high anthocyanin content. Next, climate-smart practices such as controlled irrigation and targeted potassium fertilization help maintain starch, carotenoid, and protein relevant while reducing cyanide toxicity during water stress. Other than that, sustainable agricultural intervention for sustainable practice such as biofertilizer, that-rich, improved crop varieties, agroforestry, and community seed bank help increase yield, improve soil health, and reduce the use of chemical input. Additionally, community and socio-economic impact. Community-based initiatives like Showing Farm protects indigenous tuber varieties, support seed exchange, and create fair trade income opportunities for women. Lastly, for human needs is human nutrition and food security. Nutritionally, tuber contribute up to 6% of global dietary calories and supply key micronutrients such as beta-carotene and anthocyanin, making them essential for food security, climate-smart agriculture, and sustainable livelihood, especially in low-income regions.
Okay, so next I'll be talking about plant evolution of potatoes. Potatoes belong to the Solanaceae family and genus Solanum. The story begins in the Andes Mountains of South America, primarily in modern-day Peru and Bolivia at around 7,000 to 10,000 years ago. While potato species originally grew in harsh and high-altitude environments, so they evolved traits like underground tubers to store energy and survive cold, drought, and poor soils. The potato evolved several brilliant adaptations long before humans arrived. First, tuber formation. The tuber is actually a modified stem that stores energy in the form of starch below ground. This allowed the plant to survive freezing temperatures, drought, and herbivory above ground. Second, high genetic diversity. The center of origin in the Andes Mountain is a biodiversity hotspot. While species exhibit immense variety in tuber color, shape, frost tolerance, disease resistance, and day length adaptation. A major driver of potato evolution is polyploidy, which is having multiple sets of chromosomes. Most wild diploid ancestors has 24 chromosomes. Through hybridization and chromosome doubling, cultivated potatoes are mostly autotetraploids, which is having 48 chromosomes. This extra genetic material provided complexity for adaptation. This polyploid nature makes potato genetics exceptional. Of course, potato will face immense pressure from climate change, resource scarcity, and evolving human needs. So, how do potato adapt for the future? For increasing drought and heat tolerance, future potato plants will likely develop deeper, more extensive root systems to seek water. Leaves may become smaller, thicker, or more reflective, with waxier cuticles or silvery hairs to reduce water loss and heat absorption. Secondly, for salinity tolerance, salt-tolerant potatoes, helophytes, could be engineered by enhancing genes that compartmentalize salt in vacuoles or excrete it through specialized glands. Lastly, for disease and pest resistance, future potato may have enhanced innate immune systems using gene editing to stack multiple resistant genes or to repress susceptibility genes pathogens rely on. Or through microbiome engineering, plants may be bred or inoculated to support specific beneficial root and leaf microbiomes that act as a living shield against soil-borne disease and pests.
Next, I'm going to talk about the plant's future prospects. Firstly, food security. Potatoes are rising in global demand for its nutritional value. It is also known as affordable and accessible to produce and purchase, making them an important food source for low and middle income households. The second one is climate resilient varieties. This means that the plants can grow, which is potato, can grow in diverse environments, supporting stable food production,
under various climate change. Also, ongoing research also helps to produce potato varieties that are resistant to diseases, drought, and heat. The third future prospect is sustainability potential. It reduces food losses through advanced technology. Potato cultivation also requires less land and water, which makes them suitable for sustainable farming practices. The last future prospects of potato is export potential. Exporting processed or branded potato products will generate higher income. With improving quality, storage, and packaging, potato products have strong potential in international market.